My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Cylance, C-Y-L-A-N-C-E. Well, this is a ransomware that encrypts files and damages them all considerably. The ransomware indeed encrypts files and it's not possible to use them. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not associated with this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files without any complications. But pretty soon, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Cylance ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. It is called Cylance because it appends this Cylance extension to all the files that were encrypted by the ransomware. Removing this extension manually still doesn't fix the issue. The files are still damaged and still encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note indicating that the files are encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. What we recommend you to do is carefully examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and after it gets successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on Start Scan, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect all your data in the future by adding certain folders that will always be under the protection. You need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Of course, some threats can be always removed manually, but speaking about this ransomware, we recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for always protecting your data in the future.